I don't know Mbira,
Yo, good people.
Eh?
Yo, that's number 10 and send number it's up and bed around. So I'm saying Tim in my kid, and
Bo.
serious.
That's a good makin.
Bushogo festival. So I'm saying two roads and
VIP quiz. What today? DP.
okay. To all those who don't know me, I'm Damien Marcus Greeny. I'm a hip hop artist. I do standard hip hop, dub reggae hip hop, and I also do Mbira hip hop. So the tracks that I'm gonna perform next, the next two tracks are of my debut. This will be my first album, The Departure. It's a Mbira hip hop spoken word album. Yo, so brace yourself for some new stuff, eh? The first song is called She's So Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the story of a college chick I once met, isn't okay? Oh, like this college chick I met. Oh, beauty and brain, she has nice looks, fine curves, hidden in her jean skirt. She bird, so fly, must have got feathers. Said she has a dream. I told her me either. She say she into actuarial science, so she taking mathematics further. God, I impress her. She brings good fruits. She's one bird ever. She can be my wife. She can wear my wedding ring. She could have given me a place in her heart, but it's so full of cracks cause they couldn't keep it clean. So if I have to save the world, I gotta go green. She said she needs to heal, I be the herb and not a peel. I love the way she smiles, I miss the way she laughs. She came into my sleep, I saw her in my dreams. She was dancing gracefully, started clubbing. She's so amazing, she's a rare blessing. I'm ready to receive her, like crave for her sweetness. Let her in my arms, cause we really meant to be. Yo, I love our sense meals next to Patricia. I'm lost in the world, the unsolvable enigma. She's difficult sometimes, and at times she treats me wrong, so I leave her. She watched me as I walk towards the door, tears falling from her eyes, cause she knows I have to go, but I feel the pain inside, so I overlook her flows, cause I love her. She's stunning, even when she's frowning with anger. Moody, mouth twisted, she's still good looking. She wiggles, she's sexy, she makes me wanna sin. She's real bird, carved out, secret of the flesh. It's a mind that gets me madly in love. I return to my edge, less as a dove. Only now that I know what I really want, so I promise myself not to cheat. Friends think I'm insane, but I know at times what's supposed to amuse ain't half as exciting or thrilling as it would be if we could keep our knowledge of what is essential. In my normal mental state, I would never live a lonely type of feminine being unlikely to walk down the aisle. Thank you. Okay, so the next piece I'm gonna give you is called Water and Light. Okay, Water and light, is it? The universe and love will suffice. Love will suffice. Summer is full of life. Imagine all the green grass and trees that stand firm towards the sky. I be somewhere there hanging on the branches like the nest. The nest is a place where a bird gives birth and resides. Dream harder, might grow wings and fly to the sky. Random waves flow like the Nile well. I chill with the stars along the Milky Galaxy. My mind spirals, goes like a whirlwind it goes. She screams as she vigorously scratches her head. She was born schizophrenic. She's 17 already. As a 4-year-old son, she was raped by an uncle named Oscar. Oscar, the son of that old cancer plague of awkward posture. His papa was a priest in the Black Rhodesian church, and the brother, as Anna Corredinia Zonia, led operation, more bloodshed in August. Don't share Mama Gamba. Mama made me strong. I could walk around this world in peace and find a home among her people and call them a family. Your family is anywhere you walk at any hour, cause love comes natural, the only true power. In the awakening of self-realization, I'd cater for the time lost now that the sun is my mentor. Ndolidza Mbira zvangu on top of these stages, the prayers of my predecessors echo. People living in the illusion of independence. The struggle continues until the mind is liberated. A luta continua towards disturbing directions. Yes, I'm talking about the African elites. Corruption, emotional, patriotic sentiments in my voice. Wave the flag in the face of the crooked civil servants. The blood that devastated the motherland. Years of blood spilled in vain. Fluvial field. I might love the rain. Let the children play. Beauty of the rainbow. I'll sing forever cause love is eternal. The music so delightful, the brilliance is essential. I'd recite the song down by the river. I once danced with Gina, the sweetness with the fine figure. At times she craves for oranges and ginger beer. She loves till she cries and snows sweet as she slips. Her smile in my heart I keep every time I think of it. It slips a bit. The freedom of a foot, let it grow deep. Happiness is the highest level of success, and love is the only thing that matters, not the rest. Overrate religion and create more confusion. Overrate religion and create more division. Plant a seed of love and you will reap it. I saw the Prince of Peace in a vision. Self-counseled wisely, my own solemn on the altar. Wrote that he, a former slave of mental disorders, was unshackled by the ever-loving Most High. So let it fly across the vault of the sky. And when the wind blows, vault of the sky. And when the wind blows, let it swing along, firm and full of life. Water and light in the universe, and love will suffice. And love will suffice. So let it fly across the vault of the sky, and where the wind blows, let it swing along. Women full of life, water and light in the universe, and love will suffice. Love will suffice. Will surely suffice.
Yes, I am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. One more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, my last track. Hands on motion.
Yes, sir.
My last track. It also has a hip hop version. It's called Wondo.
Jenate one more. Warata ite one more mzema wako.
Okay. I'll make it short. Okay. As long as there's a single person denied the right to live on the basis of their race, religion, or sexuality, there shall never be peace until the mind is shifted. Ichange-ngoli hondo. As long as the women and the children are abused, so long as we fail to tolerate the difference is innate in each and every kind and different point of views, there never shall be peace. I promise you. As long as the army and the police force keep the practice of brutal tactics on the people they supposed to be protecting, there shall never be tranquility. The conflict that is latent will eventually erupt. True that. Fula maziso, simtam soro, ashidi mashikirwe, kone chave hondo. As long as there's a single soul on earth that is oppressed, ichange ngoli hondo, 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 ichange ngoli hondo, shika jinji rwaktonga, ichange ngoli hondo, 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 ichange ngoli hondo, shika jinji rwaktonga, inenge ngoli hondo, 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 inenge ngoli hondo, shika jinji rwaktonga, ichange ngoli hondo, hondo, ichange ngoli hondo, shika jinji rwaktonga, ichange ngoli hondo. I promise you, as long as the disabled are ignored and neglected, not even the God in your churches that you pray who saved you from the hungry blazing flames. Nengengori wondo. As long as we keep failing to recognize that animals have feelings and a soul just like you and me, never ever dare to dream of peace. Remember, every soul has a creator. How do you think you feel? Be real. The children growing faster than you ever thought they would, and even if you deliberately keep them politically illiterate, but as long as they can still sense that there is more than there is, they will never stop to search. As long as there's a kid still sleeping in the streets with nothing there to eat, will never know no peace. Natural disasters in Nengengoli Hondo, no freedom from disturbance in Nengengoli Hondo, Hondo. As long as there's corruption, Rasiwa Vatifamba in Nengengoli Hondo, 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 in Nengengoli Hondo, Shika Shinji Raktonga, in Nengengoli Hondo. Thank you.
Hondo.